At Enactus Laurier, we not only believe that entrepreneurial action for others creates a better world for us all, but we are committed to taking entrepreneurial action that results in the largest positive impact on the world, in as many ways as possible. That is our vision for EcoHomes. At EcoHomes, we're tackling two large social and environmental issues at the same time, different types of waste that are contributing to climate change and climate-induced migration. Our focus is how these two issues are impacting and being impacted by the construction industry.
Over the past decade, climate-related events have displaced over 23 million people per year from their homes. In fact, the World Bank projects that we could see more than 140 million people migrating due to climate change impacts by 2050, primarily from sub-Saharan Africa, South Asia, and Latin America. This is almost 1 out of every 50 people living on Earth.
The construction industry is a major contributor to the climate change that is forcing people out of their homes. Worth nearly $10 trillion globally and expanding rapidly, it creates a third of the world's overall waste and 40% of the world's carbon dioxide emissions.
In Ontario alone, 88% of construction waste ends up in landfills. Over time, the toxins from this waste penetrate the soil and the groundwater and release methane gas, which is 25 times more potent than carbon dioxide. Creating a solution requires innovation that the construction industry lacks. It is one of the oldest and largest industries in the world, yet for the most part, it's been using the same basic building techniques for over a century.
When an industry that builds homes is simultaneously contributing to displacing people from their homes, it would seem obvious that it needs innovation now more than ever before. Bricks and insulation, two of the most important materials in construction, pose a significant threat to the environment. Clay bricks produce large amounts of greenhouse gases due to the energy consumed during production. In fact, the bricks from an average-sized home released approximately 3,000 kilograms of carbon dioxide into the atmosphere, roughly equivalent to driving a car from Toronto to Vancouver 3 times. Given that in the next 10 years, an estimated 1 million new homes will be built in Ontario alone, this problem will only be amplified.
Insulation is not much better than bricks. The two most used insulation materials, blueboard and pinkboard, contain hydrofluorocarbons, which have a global warming potential of over 1,400 times that of carbon dioxide. The Canadian government has banned the use of products containing hydrofluorocarbons by the end of 2030, creating another immediate and pressing opportunity for innovation. Our solution is to create new, innovative materials for the construction industry that not only provide eco-friendly solutions, but use waste materials at the same time.
Though still in the research and developmental stage, we have researched current alternatives and are sourcing materials to start testing our solutions. For bricks, our plan is to compress recycled plastic into the shape of bricks. As opposed to some companies that are melting plastic waste, which reduces the types of plastics that can be used due to off-gassing, similar to PlayX in New Brunswick, we will be shredding the plastic to maintain its structural integrity, then binding the smaller pieces with an environmentally friendly mixing medium to create a paste that can be poured into molds and left to harden.
For insulation, we will be creating blankets woven from both recycled plastic and denim textile waste. The resultant product will not only be toxin-free, but have excellent thermal capacity, resulting in lower energy consumption and heating bills. This style of insulation is similar to the Supersoft Thermofleece made in the UK, with the added benefit of the enhanced acoustic ability of the denim, creating a quieter interior for homeowners.
Working as a supplier to the construction industry, we will be using a B2B business model. This will create our primary revenue stream, although we plan to expand to big box home improvement stores in the future. To gain a foothold in the construction industry, we have been fortunate to have secured a key partner in Hazelview Properties through an Enactus Sustainability Cities Project Accelerator. Hazelview is helping us establish necessary connections in the industry. Most importantly, the sheer size of the market opportunity will allow us to be self-sustaining and use our surplus to donate free building materials to provide affordable and eco-friendly homes for climate migrants. Being in such a wealthy nation that is also the 10th highest greenhouse gas emitter, we are not only capable, but morally obligated to help climate migrants.
At Enactus Laurier, we are using entrepreneurial action to bring big solutions to big problems and innovating where innovation is desperately needed. In this way, we are working to build a more equitable and sustainable world for us all.